Park Assist is an automated system designed to minimize driver input during parking. It uses ultrasonic, radar, and camera sensors to scan and map parking spaces in real time. The Leon 4 offers semi-automatic Park Assist and fully automatic Park Assist Plus modes. Higher trims like FR and Cupra editions come standard with Park Assist Plus, supporting parallel, perpendicular, and exit maneuvers. The system integrates with the car's infotainment interface. Over-the-air software updates have enhanced the system's reliability, reducing errors by up to 15%. To activate Park Assist on the Seat Leon 4, first ensure you're driving under 30 kilometers per hour. Then, activate the system using either the dashboard button or the infotainment touchscreen. Next, select your desired parking mode, either parallel or perpendicular parking. The system will then scan for suitable parking spaces. When a spot is found, a green outline will appear on the infotainment screen to indicate availability. Note that Park Assist works best in marked parking spaces, and the sensor range extends up to 4 meters. Step-by-step guide for parallel parking with Park Assist. First, signal your intention to park. Once a suitable space is identified, shift into reverse. Release the steering wheel and pedals. The car will take over steering, acceleration, and braking. Monitor the process and be prepared to intervene if needed by using the brake pedal. The system includes pedestrian detection and emergency braking for safety. First, signal your intention to park by activating the system and selecting perpendicular mode. When the system identifies a suitable perpendicular parking space, shift the vehicle into drive. Release the steering wheel and pedals to allow the system to take control. The vehicle will automatically handle steering, acceleration, and braking to complete the perpendicular parking maneuver. Monitor the parking process and be ready to intervene using the brake pedal if necessary. The system features pedestrian detection and emergency braking for enhanced safety. To exit a parking space using Park Assist Out, first select the Park Assist Out option on your infotainment screen. This activates the automated exit feature. Once activated, the system takes control and automatically reverses your Seat Leon 4 out of the parking space. The car handles steering, acceleration, and braking during the maneuver. While the system operates automatically, you must monitor the surroundings and be prepared to intervene. Press the brake pedal if you detect any obstacles or unsafe conditions. Park Assist Out is especially helpful in tight parking situations where manual maneuvering would be difficult. It reduces stress and improves efficiency in crowded urban areas. Park Assist on the Seat Leon 4 includes several important safety features. The system features pedestrian detection to identify people in the parking area. Emergency braking automatically stops the vehicle if needed. Haptic feedback provides steering wheel vibrations to alert the driver. The system halts immediately if it detects obstacles or if the driver overrides controls. However, the system has limitations. It struggles with uneven terrain, snow, or extreme parking angles. The driver must always supervise the system as it is not fully autonomous. This is a Level 2 autonomous driving feature that requires active driver attention. For optimal performance of Park Assist on the Seat Leon 4, ensure clear space markings for best results. Keep sensors clean and free from obstructions to maintain accuracy. Be aware of the system's limitations in adverse conditions like snow or uneven terrain. Always monitor the parking process and be ready to take control if needed. Remember that even though the system will attempt to avoid objects, it may not always be able to do so, and to stay vigilant. Looking ahead, Park Assist on the Seat Leon 4 is set to integrate more deeply with autonomous driving technologies and smart city infrastructure, creating seamless urban mobility solutions. AI-enhanced algorithms are being developed to enable predictive parking, where the system learns from past maneuvers and anticipates optimal parking strategies. Vehicle-to-infrastructure communication may soon allow cars to reserve parking spots and navigate autonomously to them through connected city systems. To benefit from these advancements, stay updated with Seat's over-the-air software updates, which regularly improve system performance and add new features.